Good morning. Let's talk about this Venus conjunct Pluto transit that recently occurred. Now, when Venus conjoins Pluto, that gives Venus a very Plutonian flair. Now, what does that actually mean? We know that Pluto is about control. We know that it's about depth. We know that it's about power. So when we combine that with Venus, the first phrase that comes to mind is, all is fair in love and war. A person with Venus conjunct Pluto might want to know what makes you tick, especially if you have something they want, and may go to great lengths to find out what that is. It also empowers the Venus person to be rather exploitative, because Venus conjunct Pluto people usually have a very magnetic appeal to them. It's almost sirenic in a way. They get to pull people toward them, as is the power of Venus, especially since Venus is receiving exaltation from Saturn at this time, because Venus is in Aquarius, ruled by Saturn, who is in Pisces, which is the sign of Venus's exaltation. So in transit, you can feel the desire to become magnetic. You feel the desire to take control over your self-image, your likability, your sociability, your capability of pulling things to you. Now, where particularly in your life this energy will play out will vary based on your rising sign. It can also vary based on significations of your Saturn and your Venus. But just remember that one phrase when dealing with Venus conjunct Pluto: all is fair in love and war.